Hello my dear friends, my name is Ram Avtar Singh and most welcome my YouTube channel Ram's Classes. Friends, I'm fairly sure you all are fine there and you all are just staying at your homes and you all are following the protocols of our governments. Friends, as you all know that in every video I carry some topics, so this video is also unique. When you will complete watching this video till the end, you will come to know a special thing which I am going to share in this video. So friends, watch this video till the end. Yes friends, so let's start today's topic. And first of all, before starting the topic, I would like to tell you that which kind of topic I have carried today. Basically this topic is I'm fairly sure you all know about this topic. The topic name is all about which is the thing, which is the happiest, or which is the world's largest gift of the world. Yes friends, this is the thing we are going to discuss in that. So friends, let's start this topic. And I will tell you that some extra things from this video. So friends, please watch it till the end. Yes friends, so when I was using social media in by morning today, so that time I got this these lines were these: the world's best thing or gift is time. Yes friends, the world's best gift is time. Yes friends, when we give our time to the next person, that means we are giving our valuable thing to that person. So we need to just understand that as we are giving our time to that person, that next person should understand the value of that person, next person, whosoever is giving the time to that person. So friends, we have to just consider, or we have to mention that if we are giving the time to that person, that means how much the value he keeps in my life. That's why I'm giving my precious time to that person, because nowadays no one is free. Everybody is free, so everybody is busy, but still they always think that no, I have no time, or I don't want to spend my time to that person, or I would like to uh, do my works, I don't want to talk to that person. Means even he is free, but he will not say you to that I am free. He will definitely say to you that I am busy right now at this moment, so please talk me later. Yes friends, so we have to just consider, we have to just mention all the things, that person should be unique, and that person is spending any time to us, that means that person keeps value in his life, or in my life, or in your life too. So friends, these were the lines which I have taken from the social media today. So I was really impressed by this video, these lines, so that's why I was just thinking that I should make one video on this topic. So I have just done my work in that. And the second topic is also I'm going to share in that: time. Yes friends, time is not only the thing that this is just like that. Friends, this is really valuable thing in today's society, in today's world. Sometimes my time is going good, sometimes my time is going bad. So before thinking or before doing any kind of work, we need to just mention that which how much time I will do, sorry, how much time I will take in that work, while doing the work. So time should not be wasted. We should utilize our time, and we should not waste our time ever. Yes friends, this is the thing, this was the thing I wanted to share in that. So I hope friends you all have understood whatever I told you in that video. So friends, again I'm just sharing that first one topic was that when we give our time to the person, that means that person keeps the value in my life or in our life. That's why we are giving the valuable time to that person. So friends, I'm fairly sure you are giving your time to that person. That person is really unique for you. This is these are the my thinkings for you. And if we are wasting, or if we are doing just like that things with that person, that means that person is not capable, or that person is not keeping the value in our life. That person is just like that. Okay, I hope friends you have understood whatever I shared in that. Sometimes we can take good things from the bad. Yes friends, if I'm I have spoken any wrong sentence or any single thing in that is not capable for you, that means still you can take some advantage of this video. But you need to just listen or watch this video till the end so that you can take some good qualities from this video. So friends, this was enough for this video. I hope you will be watching and you will be applying this thing in your brain or in your thinkings also. So friends, this was all about this video, so we will meet again. But before saying bye bye to you, I would like to say not thanks, I would like to say you that sentence, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. So friends, we will meet again with the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.